Hi, I'm Ashley, and today we are going to add 3 and 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Are you ready? Let's go. If you do not yet have a solid understanding of place value, be sure you go watch those videos and practice those games for a little while first, and then come back to this one. You see here, I have the number 156 plus 273. My place values are lined up, and I'm always going to start adding from the farthest to the right place value and go to the left. So I will start with 6 plus 3. That gives me 9. Then I have 5 plus 7. That gives me 12. I will carry my 1, write my 2 here in the tens place. And now I have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus the 1 that I carried is 4. So 156 plus 273 is 429. Let's try another one. Now I have the number 136 plus 475. Starting with the ones place, I have 6 plus 5. That gives me 11. So I will carry my 1 and write the other one here in the ones place. Now adding my tens, I have 7 plus 3. That gives me 10, plus the 1 that I carried gives me 11. So I will carry again to the hundreds. So I have my 1 there and 1 down here in the tens place for 11. And now I have my hundreds place to add. So 4 plus 1 is 5, plus the 1 that I carried gives me 6. And that is my final answer. 136 plus 475 equals 611. Okay, one more here. I now have 4-digit numbers. The number 4,207 plus 3,493. Let's start with our ones place. 7 plus 3 gives us 10. Good job. Carry my 1, write the 0 in the ones place. Now adding tens. We have 9 plus 0 is 9, plus the 1 we carried is 10. So carrying again, 1 and 0. Now 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 more gives us 7. And thousands place now. 4 and 3 is 7. Very good. 4,207 plus 3,493 equals 7,700. And we box our answer to show that it is clearly this is where our answer is. And that's it. You've got it. Now go practice what you've learned with our online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey!